round 29, we're just going to work 1 double crochet into each stitch around, which is actually the easiest. 1, 2. So after this, we're going to create a fan stitch. So in the chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets and then continue working 1 double crochet into every stitch. To end the round, you're just going to work a slip stitch on top of the beginning 3rd chain. Round 30, we're going to start by chaining 1 single crochet into the same stitch, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then skip 3 double crochets and then 1 single crochet into the next, and then we're just going to repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3 double crochets and then into the next, work 1 single crochet. So we're just going to repeat this around. To end round 30, we're going to chain 2 and then work 1 double crochet into the very first single crochet. We're going to make a fan stitch on round 31. We're going to start by chaining 2 into the chain 5 space. We're going to work 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5. After working 5 double crochets, chain 2, 1 single crochet into the next chain 5, chain 5, single crochet into the next chain 5, and then that's when we're going to chain 2 again and work a fan stitch into the next chain 5 space. So we do 5, 3, 4, 5, chain 2, work a single crochet into the next chain 5, chain 2, but before we make a fan stitch, we need to chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 2, and then repeat what we have started. So we're going to make a fan stitch in between chain 5 and chain 2. So this is what we're going to repeat around. For the last round, we're just going to chain 2 and then 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet. This is to bring the stitch into the center, because in the last round we're going to make the fan stitch, and to start we're going to chain 2, and on top of the one of the 5 double crochets we're going to work a double crochet. We're going to chain 3 and work a picot, slip stitch on top of the double crochet, and then in the next double crochet we're going to work another picot. So we're gonna do that until we get to the last double crochet. And then we're gonna chain 3, work a picot until we get to the last double crochet. And just chain 2, single crochet, the next chain 5, chain 2, and then start working the same into the next stitch. So I think 4 picot will do. I think it looks great having just 4 rather than having 5. So keep doing this, and then in between there should be chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain 5, chain 2, and work the fan stitch in the next double crochet. To end the round, you're just going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made on this round, and we're ready to fasten off. So we're just gonna need to work the string, because this is a drawstring pouch, and I'm gonna show you in the next clip how many chains I have made. So just to give you an idea, this is what it's looking like so far. And as you can see, this is the stitch, the pineapple stitch, and every side has the same pattern. And then later on, I'm going to show you how many chains I have made for the drawstring pouch. For the drawstring pouch, I chained 200, and then starting from the second chain from hook, I worked a slip stitch until I get back to the last chain, and then I weave in the tail ends after that. So you can make more chains if you want to make it longer. And I used a 3.5 crochet hook, and this is what I did. I saw this string on this side until I get back around, and then I have 2 here, and this is what it's looked like when the string is not pulled. If you pulled it, it would look something like this. And as you can see, the stitch is a pineapple design, and it looks complicated at first, but once you figure out the first side of this square, it will be easier to make on the other 3 sides. So it has a square bottom. This is the base, and this is great for when you have like a square things that you can put inside this pouch, and it's also great as a gift bag. And this is my way of inserting the string, but you can make 2 strings and then sew them on each sides, and then you can pull them on the sides, not in the middle. Okay, and what I like about this one is that it has a fan stitch here, which is really cute, and I think I'm gonna make more. And yeah, it's just easy once you make or decided to make this kind of design. And you can also add lining if you want. Now this edging here, you can skip this part and just work a few stitches and just add a strap as a handbag, it would also look good. So I hope I was able to share to you many ideas on how to turn this beautiful drawstring pouch into a bag, and I'm sure you're all gonna like how easy to make this one. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment for some other requests that you would like to see on my channel, and subscribe. Thank you so much.